Ba Ardent Basami, I wish to speak.
Rise to associate myself with the mover of this motion. So, I've been raising this issue of border problems, problem faced by the people living in the border areas right from the year I got elected, from 2008. So, some of the members have passed away, but we are still repeating, debating the same issue again and again. So I don't want to talk much because sometimes I feel that we don't have any words to say, but we can't help. I want to express that my heart goes out to the people of living in the border areas. I have seen the tremendous pressure in their minds. I have met them just very recently when I visited these border areas. I went to Omat area, and I feel pity, but what can't we do? When the government of Meghalaya engaged in dialogue with the government of Assam, we feel that a negotiation is the best possible way to solve the problem. I've been saying this on the floor of this house, that even though we will not be able to come to a conclusion to finally settle the boundary issue with Assam, but at least we have to ensure that the security of the people living in the border areas should not be compromised. I think it is the duty of the state to ensure that all people belonging to the state, who is originally belong to the state, wherever they may are, wherever they may be, they should have a sense of insecurity. They should have a sense that, yes, the government of Meghalaya is taking care of us, even if we are not in the state. Not long ago that some ministers from Assam, they rushed to Meghalaya just for one issue. When they came to know that some Assamese people have been beaten or having a problem with some khasi youths in NEHU, they rushed to Meghalaya to express their concern about the people, their own people. Here we see the harassment with their own eyes. And how do you expect our local people in those border areas to react when the Assam government is coming and erect a gate, a toll gate, or carry out any construction work? Naturally, the people living in the border areas, because of the sense of belonging, they will have to stand and oppose it. And I do remember till today that there has been any successful project on the basis of interstate developmental works that Meghalaya has been able to establish schools in the interior part of Assam as the Assam had done in our state. So, sir, I don't know what kind of an environment we are in, but when we look at the leaders of Assam, there was a media report very recently which stated that amid ongoing talks to resolve the Assam border, Meghalaya border row, if I may be allowed to mention the name of the Minister of Assam, Atul Bora, Assam Border Protection and Development Minister, has leveled a serious allegation against Meghalaya, asserting the encroachment of 3,441.86 hectares of Assam land. These are the kind of mindset that we are dealing with. So, sir, I've never heard that Meghalaya will openly express that Assam has encroached 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers inside Meghalaya. So, sir, I stand here to associate with the mover of this motion and to stand with him on this issue, not only in this August House, but even outside the house. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat.